Hello children, welcome to our science club. Today we are going to do one new activity, that is energy transfer activity. To do this activity we need one matchbox and flat surface. First of all, we have to take all the matchsticks from the box, and first matchstick should be placed exactly 45 degrees to your surface, and gently you have to place the second matchstick over the first one, and you have to place the third one in the same manner. And you can take the another. Now see the magic. If you touch the last one, last matchstick, you can see the second matchstick is going to be move. Here you can see the second matchstick is moving, right? So how does it happen? Why it is moving like that? So I'm going to extend this arrangement by placing some more matchsticks. See the arrangement of the matchsticks carefully. See, in this activity or the energy transfer from one place to another place, like from the last matchstick to the second matchstick. Now see the magic. If you touch the last matchstick in the arrangement with your finger gently, you can see the second matchstick and it is moving. So that is the magic over there. Got it? So the remaining matchsticks in between the last and the second matchstick, which are not moving anywhere, even though you can see the movement in the second matchstick, right? So this is a magic. And you can try this activity. And the same activity we can do with the, now we can see very clearly the second one. When you touch the last matchstick, second matchstick is moving, right? The second matchstick is moving when you touch the last matchstick over there. And this activity we can do with another material, that is broomsticks. So we have to arrange the broomsticks in the same manner, like a zigzag or cross shaped. See that arrangement properly. And we are placing each and every matchstick over there, right? So when you are placing the materials, so we are doing some work, right? So with its displacement or with its place, they acquired potential energy. So now they have potential energy, right? So with its place, they acquired potential energy. And in this activity, the potential energy is going to be converted into kinetic energy. I hold this arrangement with my hand. Once you done the arrangement, and you can leave that arrangement, and when you leave that arrangement, you can see that. So all the matchsticks are jumped. So it doesn't mean that it stored potential energy. When you leave that arrangement, the potential energy is converted into kinetic energy. So that is the reason behind that. So that is the way energy transfer from one place to another place and from one part to another part. Okay, thank you children. and you can do this activity at your home and you can post it in the group. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.